Viewers, the big story that we have for you is about the constant criticism by the Congress party, specifically on SIR, the electoral revision exercise that's currently going on. And amid Congress party's repeated allegations of vote chori via SIR, a big statement, in fact, viewers, has been made by the ally of the Congress party. We're talking about National Conference. A leader of the National Conference, in fact, has fact-checked the allegation stating that the Jammu and Kashmir polls were conducted in a free and fair manner. Listen in.
कि इलेक्शन निष्पक्ष के बारे में उन्होंने बात की। मैं अपने स्टेट की बात करूंगा, मैं ज़्यादा नहीं दूर जाऊंगा। 2024 अक्टूबर में वहां पर इलेक्शन हुए, मोस्ट फेयर इलेक्शन हो गए और उस इलेक्शन के नतीजे में वहां पर एक सरकार वजूद में आई, हेडेड बाय नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस उमर अब्दुल्ला, और उसके साथ जो सहयोगी हैं वो कांग्रेस के लोग हैं, इंडिपेंडेंट्स हैं, बहुत सारे और भी लोग हैं, और करीबन नियरली 2/3 मेजॉरिटी इस सरकार ने वहां पर मतलब मेंबरों की आई है।
Let's now go across to my colleague Kritika, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Kritika, now this is very, very interesting. A statement that has come from a new member of parliament from the National Conference, which is an ally of the Congress party, not just in INDIA, but also in Jammu and Kashmir. And he is saying that elections were fair when it happened in October 2024.
Well, yes, and remember, this is also something that the BJP as well as the NDA partners like to point out as well. Many a times they have reiterated that whenever the election result is in the favor of the Congress or of the opposition parties, that is when they are not making any hue and cry regarding the election commission or the conduct of any of the reforms in place at that moment. But as soon as there are electoral defeats that are being faced by the opposition parties as well as the Congress, that is when these attacks are made. Now, what is interesting is that we are seeing National Conference, in fact, MP also make similar statements. Remember, the opposition on its part has maintained that they're not against SIR in the manner as far as the cleaning up of or the revision of the electoral rolls, the voter list is concerned. What they are protesting is what they say the exclusion of, is what they claim rather, the exclusion of minorities, the exclusions of Dalits, tribals, as well as core voters of the Congress and the opposition parties. Against this and in fact, what they have called the weaponization of election commission against the opposition parties in the favor of the BJP and the ruling central government, in fact, partners, is what they are alleging and protesting against. Amit, even today we saw at the Makar Dwar, the opposition leaders hold Stop SIR, Stop Vote Chori posters, Save Minority Voter Rights. But in the same very parliament, we're also seeing a similar, in fact, a contradictory statement coming in from the National Conference MP. Over to you.
Right. Stay with us, Kritika. Let me go across to my colleague Ankit as well, who's also live with us at this point in time. Ankit, any reaction from the Congress party yet on this big statement made by a member of parliament from NC?
Well, there is no reaction by the Congress party in Jammu and Kashmir over a reaction of the National Conference Rajya Sabha MP. But yes, there is a reaction which was given by the BJP. They have clearly said that it clearly shows that there has been no vote chori in Jammu and Kashmir. What Congress always tries to claim when they lose the elections in their states. The BJP has clearly said that their alliance partner, National Conference, has clearly said in the Rajya Sabha that there has been a free and fair election in Jammu and Kashmir. But Umar Abdullah has already spoken at the money platforms also. And this clearly shows when they win, the statement is other.
Right.
When they lose, the statement is other. But BJP has clearly said that they...
Right. Ankit, interrupting you there, stay on with us. Kritika stays on with us as well. Listen into this reaction that we've got from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Here's what Shehzad Poonawalla of BJP has to say.
Rahul Gandhi and his vote chori narrative has got a fact check by none other than his own alliance partner, NC, National Conference MP got up in Rajya Sabha and slammed the opposition, particularly Congress, saying that how can you say elections were not free and fair? In Jammu Kashmir, elections were held and the NC Congress alliance won 2/3 majority. This is not the first time that an alliance partner has rejected Rahul Gandhi's claims. We have seen time and again that alliance partner after alliance partner has said that it was because of Rahul and Congress that they lost the Bihar elections and not vote chori, whether it's TMC or Samajwadi Party. In fact, even Congress leaders like Tariq Anwar, Shakil Ahmed, Mumtaz Patel, Afaq Alam, and others have said that the vote chori is not the reason we lost in Bihar. It is because of the ticket chori. But Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party, they are doing the same thing, that they are blaming the fault on Election Commission only to save themselves. This is the mindset of the Congress. To save the beta, they blame the data. They blame SIR, they blame ECI, they blame EVM, they blame even Mossad and CIA. But now that fakery, the truth chori, has been called out by their very own National Conference after Uddhav Sena, TMC and Samajwadi Party. This shows that Rahul Gandhi is not taken seriously even by his own alliance partners. Rahul Gandhi and his